girls, how you doing? It's Carol. Today I'm going to show you the good and the bad foundation shade adjusters. Now, we all get foundations that sometimes are too light, too dark, too late to return it, don't want to return it. What do we do with them? These two have been my absolute favorite for years. It is the NYX Pro Foundation Mixer in olive and in white. And very simple. Foundation's too light, put a little olive. Foundation's too dark, put a drop of white. They don't make these anymore. I called NYX. They told me a product of theirs that is equal. I don't agree. Let me show you. This is the product that the customer service representative referred me to. It is called NYX Total Control Pro Hue Shifter. Hue Shifter. When I tell you, it made my face gray. Okay, so here it is. Very liquidy. Very liquidy. Now, look how much you need one drop, not all this. One drop. Okay? Now, when I mix it with foundation, it just looks very dirty and very gray. No, this is not going to work. So that's the NYX Total Control Pro. Now, let me just show you a chart of the colors that they have. I can't even understand what they are for. I just got the easiest one I could think of was the brown. I could have gotten the white, but surfing on the web, I found another custom color drops to shade adjust foundations. And it is a shade adjusting foundation mixer. And I got it from H&M. And this is what it looks like. All right, so of course you don't need all this. No, that is one drop. Look at that. It's like dirt. It's like purpley gray. Not gonna work. Let me show you the NYX one that they discontinued so we have that to compare to. So I'll just put this. Okay. Clean. Now you see how it's warmer, it's a warmer brown. And when I go to put a foundation with it, it turns into a foundation color, a nice warm skin color. These don't. No. You see, the only one that looks like a skin foundation color would be the one that's discontinued. I also bought from Sephora this Milk foundation. It's Flex Foundation. It's supposed to bend with your wrinkles. This is sand. It's very thick, kind of hard to spread. This one, if I can try it on for you, I'll put a clip in right here. This is the Milk Flex Control Flex Foundation Stick, a medium coverage, natural finish foundation that covers, calms, and flexes without creasing or caking. That's what it says. I hope I got the right color. Okay. Let's see, what should we use? Oh, that seems pretty sheer. Let's try it again. We'll do it with a brush. I never really start off with the sponge. Today I'm going to try the JOAH Eye Serum Concealer. It's got ceramides and peptides. And it has that great tip that I love. So this is in light medium with neutral undertones. L'Oreal Galaxy Lumiere Holographic Lip Gloss. I bet this foundation is okay. Just was hard to tell. You know, sometimes you put on a foundation and as soon as you put it on, you're like, whoa, that is great. I love it. And sometimes you put it on, you go, I don't know. Covers, calms, and flexes without creasing or caking. Okay. I'll wear it and see what happens. See if I like it. This was my original bronzer, contour, and then I couldn't find it anymore. So that's why I went to this one, and this is empty. But I found it for you for only $20 on eBay. And I have backups of it too. It's that great. It is that great. So, okay. You see, this is my DHC, Deep Cleansing Oil. This is what I remove my makeup with this, and then I use that Grayson, I don't know, Grayson something. I use that pink one. But this is what I remove my makeup with. Now, most people would throw it out by now. But you see this? I could remove my makeup tonight with that. And that's all I need. See that? That is the drop I am going to be doing, taking my makeup off with. That's it. I'll get this on my face, rub it in for 30 to 40 seconds. It will take my mascara, my liner, my foundation, my lipstick, everything off with just that. In fact, okay, I'll do it for you and I'll insert a clip. Okay, here we go. All you need is 2 drops. 2 good drops. Let's do it. Now I can throw it away. Even though, do you see that? There's still more right in there. That could take off another night's worth of makeup. If I can get that out. It is amazing. And when they're on sale, I buy 4 of them. It's just the greatest facial cleanser that there is. You need 2 things, this and your hands, and all your makeup is gone. So what I really like to do, I put my shower cap on, or just pull my hair back. I put this on, then I get into the shower, and I start maneuvering it around my face. And as the water's coming down, the very warm water, I put it on my hands and I start emulsifying it into this like milky lotion. And slowly, I start rinsing it off. And then I use my cleanser. So it's just this and my hands and then my cleanser. And sometimes I use this. This is one of my mom's secrets. This rough facial pad and scrubbing the top layer off. Look at that. Ooh, so soapy. So foamy. Oh, this will keep your skin from getting blackheads, from getting whiteheads, whatever, this will really keep it clean. I think everyone in your family needs one of these. And this soap is amazing. Look, I mean, it's just, there's so much more on here. It was just one squirt. God, I could do my whole body with it. Okay, thanks so much for watching. I hope you liked the demos. I hope you liked the products that I was telling you about. And I hope you have a wonderful day, a wonderful week, and I'll see you in my next video. Love you.